Guys, ito po yung bagong room ng aking boss. Ito po yung dining area. Wala pa siyang mga gamit. Ayan, TV. Ayan. Maganda siya. Sobrang linis, guys. At ito yung kitchen. Ayan. Tas ito yung maids room. Tas may ano doon, may shower. And then, we will continue to the guest room. Ito yung shower room. The first shower room. Ayan. The toilet. And the mirror. And then, ayan. This is the first room. Ayan. Maraming gamit. Hindi pa namin naayos. Ayan. Tas, ito yung cabinet. Cabinet nila. Tas yung second room. The master bedroom. Ayan, ang ganda guys. Look at the chandelier. Ayan. The bed. Ayan. Aircon. Ito yung cabinet nila. Uy, malaki yung cabinet dito. 4 siya. Kasi master bedroom eh. Ito yung mga master. Master.
Ang galing mo, kuminis na din.
Oo nga, ang bango.
Baka ito sinasabi niya.
Ayan yung shower room niya guys. Ang ganda. Sobrang bango. Ayan. May terrace din. Any table. Uy, ang wow! Look at, super clean. Ito po yung outside. Ayan po yung tower ko. Diyan ako tumira. Tower 1. Ayan, look at the view. Ayan, ang ganda guys. May terrace, 2 terrace sila. Dito kadadaan.
Ay, kitang-kita talaga tayo doon din.
Oo nga.
Pag
Ayan.
nasa terrace tayo.
Ang ganda yan guys.
Ay, ang linis.
Wow, super nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. It's really nice. And that's it. Super nice. Oh my god.